Bluey and Bingo raced through the garden, paws thumping, tails wagging. "Faster, Bingo!" Bluey shouted. But suddenly, bark, a tiny puppy appeared, dragging a little basket overflowing with strawberries. The fruit tumbled everywhere, red, juicy, shining in the sun. Could surprise crash this sweet? Bingo gasped. "Where did you come from?" The puppy yipped, spinning in circles, berries scattering like fireworks. Muffin scooped one up. "Strawberries. My favorite." Coco squealed. "Don't let them roll away." Could chaos taste this delicious? The puppy barked again, tugging the basket. More strawberries spilled across the yard. Snickers slipped on one, squish, landing on his shell toy. Everyone roared with laughter. Bluey barked, "Quick! Save the berries!" Bingo dived like a goalie, catching 3 in her paws. Could teamwork feel this wild? Bandit peeked out from the porch. "What's going on?" He froze, berries flying, kids chasing, puppies zooming everywhere. "Oh no, not Mom's clean lawn." But the strawberry madness only got bigger. Patrick the starfish, still hanging around from before, picked one up and shouted, "Snack!" Could the mess get this unstoppable? The tiny puppy zoomed under the swing set. Strawberries bounced out like red marbles. Muffin slid after them, shouting, "I got it," but landed face first in a pile. She popped up covered in juice, giggling. Bluey laughed. "You're a strawberry monster. Could fun stick this messy?" Then the puppy leapt high, higher than anyone thought possible, and landed right in Bingo's arms. Everyone froze. Bluey whispered, "He trusts us." Bingo smiled. He just wanted help with his strawberries. The puppy wagged, dropping the last berry gently into her paw. Could friendship shine this sweet? Together they gathered the fruit back in the basket, now sticky but safe. The puppy licked Bluey's cheek, tail wagging like crazy. Bandit sighed, "All right, you can keep him, but only if you share those strawberries." The crowd cheered, munching berries, laughing as the sun set. Bluey turned to you, grinning with juice all over her fur. If this crazy puppy adventure made you laugh and crave strawberries, hit that like, subscribe, and join us for even juicier fun next time.